It just kicked off. This is what a mini split sounds like with a failing compressor. Right now the compressor outside is turned off, the fan is stopped, and this is just warm air blowing. So this is what I've decided to replace it with, which is another 24K from Cooper and Hunter. I have a little experience with the Cooper and Hunter brand. I'll show you that real quick. This is the top unit. What's interesting about this one is that it came with the Wi-Fi kit. This delivered from Amazon, including tax, was $1,127. And the Sear is about the same as the Senville at $18. So with the cost being about the same, it may have made more sense just to buy another Senville and just replace the outdoor unit, and that would have been a lot easier. One thing I've never been really happy with about the Senville is the Wi-Fi was always kind of flaky. Sometimes when you would turn it off with Wi-Fi, when it was turned on manually, it would just have a loud beeping noise. And I believe the outside compressor just now turned back on. I don't know if you picked it up on the video or not. But you can definitely tell that that compressor is on the way out. I took the cage off, I checked the fan. The noise is definitely coming from the compressor. So this is a 24,000 BTU. For contrast, if you'll just bear with me, I know this may be a ramble. For contrast, this is the noise level of the Cooper and Hunter. This is a 36,000 BTU. It's currently 73 degrees inside my house, and it's set at 73. I have two indoor units, one for the large open area that covers the living room, dining room, and kitchen. And that is a 24K. And I have a 12K, which is really oversized for this room, which is now the man cave. When the house was built, this was the downstairs master bedroom. This Cooper and Hunter I installed about the same time I did the Senville on the garage. About 2 years ago. This was another reason why I chose to go with the Cooper and Hunter this time around. Both have fairly good reviews, and while the Senville isn't really known in the reviews anyway for compressors that have failed this soon, there are a couple of reviews just for that. So this will be relatively easy. If there's any interest in how these are installed, it's relatively simple. You hook up the line set from the inside to the outside, a set of wires and a drain. You vacuum down the line set. I use just a regular Harbor Freight gauge set with the Harbor Freight vacuum pump that I've used for years. I have a adapter. I'll show that to you real quick. Again, just in case anyone wants to do this. This is the adapter to vacuum out the mini split. Again, it's very simple process. I normally run the vacuum for an hour and then let it sit for an hour to make sure vacuum hasn't been lost anywhere. And then these come pre-charged with Freon. So at that point, you just open up the Freon and the job is done. I'm sure you can hear the hum of that Senville in the background. And that's, you know, with a block garage with brick on the outside, it's gotten pretty loud. It is still, when the compressor is running, it is still cooling very well, but it's obviously on its way out. So hope this helps someone. These are great units. If you know an HVAC person who will come out and put their HVAC license number on a warranty form, you can get these warranted, provided that they are installed by an HVAC professional. There really isn't a lot to go wrong on these things. With that being said, they are relatively low cost and they're pretty much disposable, right? You're typically not going to have, you know, serviceable parts, right? It's not really economical, right, to replace a compressor in one of these. What's going to be the case is, if it is under warranty, the manufacturer will just send you another outdoor unit, I would assume. So anyway, I'm going to knock this out. I know this rambles like a lot of my videos do. That's unintentional. I'm not a professional YouTube person. With that being said, this may help someone. And if it does, please let me know. Thanks.